Hello friends, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's Autodesk Sketchbook illustration, we are going to draw this out of the world scenario. Imagine yourself and somewhere in the space and you came across this beautiful illustration of a cloud and an inversion of it and some lamps, and we are watching our space from a distance. So we have already started off with painting the sky, and I'm using the easy method here with the help of linear fill option where we can select 3 or 4 colors or more than that. I'm selecting the darker shade of color, and also I'm using a lighter shade to the end. Of course, this image we are just going to use half of it. So now we have hopped onto fluffy cloud. Make sure to add a new layer, and the screen resolution is 2080 into 2860, and here I'm using tattoo inker pen. So make sure to use their sweet time. Don't be in a hurry, because this is such an easy illustration, but at the same time it looks so much complicated. Just give some short value thing before giving it up. So I have given a background of a lighter shade of the blue, and then I have added a new layer and added a dark shade. Then I'm going to merge it together, and with the help of blending brush from artist column, I'm just going to slowly smudge it across. And also I'm starting off with the base so that I slowly blend it down, and then I'm doing it in a circular motion. If you can see close by, you can see I'm just slowly going in a circular way from inside to outside. I'm doing the same thing for the upper shade of the color as well, because I want the darker shade to be the depth of the shadow and the lighter shade to be the highlight of the cloud, because there is some earth and moon at a distance. I don't know where this image comes in idea all this, because as I was going through Pinterest, I came across this brilliant illustration. I'm like, oh my god, this is so nice, because sometimes I love looking at space and also get scared of it. I don't know what's the phobia, but sometimes I do enjoy watching the space look scary, stars and clouds and all the things. But at the moment I think of space, the moment I think of all these extraterrestrial beings, I'm just like, oh no, I don't want to involve in those bit. But when I saw this illustration, I felt this is so cool. I really want this to be like the cloud in a very different way, because usually it will be the flat one, not in the circular. So imagine this is the outer layer of this earth, and then there is the sky. And here is the interesting bit, which is very easy. Just make sure to add a new layer, and we are using flow airbrush to add that watery texture. So just imagine there is a still water. Okay, there is no movement in the water, just a still water on the surface. And then we are just going to invert the cloud, and then we are going to reduce the opacity of cloud layer, and then which will look like the mirror image of the exact thing. So once we are done, we are already halfway through. I'm so happy how this cloud turns out. And also somebody commented, can you add the code of this color? If you look, I just pick up from the color wheel. I don't use any Pantone number or hex number here. So the pro tip for you is just take the screenshot of the image and then take it as a reference. Use the eyedropper to select the exact color. In my future video, maybe I will use the hex color and I will add the code to you. So the easy way to add those star here is I'm using sparkle. Also I figure out this new brush, which is, so the brush name is Pickled, and I found it in a previous 2 video above, where I found out this beautiful brush which you just have to dab across and you get this entire star in your sky. And we are going to add few more sparkle here with increase in size. Then we are just going to copy and paste in the water layer. Once we are done, we are actually moving on to our 5th step, which is my favorite thing to ever illustrate. I think after cloud I'll definitely go for the moon illustration, because I think something which makes me feel calmer and peaceful. And so like I love looking at moon. If you're someone who loves to look at moon, comment down below, we'll be great friends. We are using fountain pen, and also we are selecting the lighter shade, and with the help of draw style circle we are going to fill the circle, and we are going to add few more darker shade for the depth of the moon. With the help of wash brush, we are just going to slowly blend across. So make sure to take your time while doing this. There is nothing in hurry, because this entire illustration took me around 15 to 20 minutes. For you it may be probably sooner if you're pro at this. So once we are done blending, we are going to use cashmere eraser to cut off the edge, rough edge, and also make it look as realistic as we can. And then we are going to slowly erase the first 1/4 of the moon, so that it looks like it's in the, I don't know whether it's a moon or earth, I'm confused here. Anyway, I think this may be earth if you are looking from a terrestrial being. Anyway, so let me know what this illustration is all about, but I really enjoy illustrating it so far, and we are moving on to the next step, that is to draw a street lamp. To draw a street lamp, we are going to use a fountain pen, and I'm going to use the help of line from the draw style option. We are just going to have one vertical line, one horizontal line, and few of the slight line, and then we are going to draw the lamp with the help of few inverted lines and the rest. Also, you can use the help of symmetry for the lamp, but if you're pro, you can just add a few lines here and there, and you're going to get the lamp. And to add the bloom in the lamp, you have to add a new layer beneath the lamp layer, and just make sure you use flow airbrush to add this yellowish orange tint to get the light out of the lamp. And hope you guys are enjoying the illustrations so far. If you so, make sure to like, share and subscribe with your friends who are artists. And also we are adding few more lamps here by copy and pasting across this illustration. It is something beyond your imagination. And also see you all tomorrow in the second podcast. If you have subscribed to my newsletter, you might have already got the second column of the newsletter, and you should actually subscribe to my newsletter, because I'm going to give a sneak peek, which is take that leap of faith. I think we are holding ourselves from a lot of things, so you should definitely give a read out to our newsletter, and also make sure to be subscribed, because tomorrow is Sunday and we have weekly podcasts where we talk everything art and how it is related to our heart. I hope you guys are enjoying, and make sure to leave your comment. Do you enjoy space? Do you enjoy this illustration? Or what is your illustration favorite? I'll love to illustrate in our next video. See you all in the next one. Till then, enjoy your life, have a great one, because life is very short to even think what to do. Just do what your heart feels like, and make sure to do good, because it will always come back to you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.